If you've ever parked your bike on soft ground, gravel or even hot asphalt on a summer day, you probably know that sinking feeling all too well. Literally, your side stand starts digging into the surface and the next thing you know, your motorcycle is taking a nap it didn't even ask for. In this episode of Gear Matters, we're looking at side stand shoes, why you need them, as well as how to choose the right one for your motorcycle. A side stand shoe, also referred to as a side stand extender, is a small metal or composite plate that bolts on to the bottom of your existing side stand to increase the surface area that touches the ground. Kind of like giving your side stand a bigger foot. Why does this matter? Let's break it down. First, more surface area means better weight distribution. Think about trying to walk across a beach or snow in high heels versus shoes with wider sole. High heels will sink while the wider shoes float. Same principle here. When your side stand has more area to spread the bike's weight, it's far less likely to sink into the soft terrain, like dirt, sand, grass, or hot asphalt. Second, it's all about protection and peace of mind. Whether you're on an adventure ride through forest trails or just pulling into a parking lot on a warm afternoon, you don't always get to pick perfect parking spots. A side stand extender means your bike stays upright more reliably, especially when you're not around to catch it. It might not be the flashiest accessory to add to your precious motorcycle, but if you choose the right one, you will genuinely appreciate having it every time you park. It's usually a fairly inexpensive addition, doesn't add much weight, can be installed easily by yourself, and protects your bike from tipping over, which could cause more expensive cosmetic or even mechanical damage. In terms of choosing a good side stand shoe, you need to look out for something that is specifically designed for your motorcycle. This is important because the side stand shoe needs to sit snug around the side stand and remain securely in place. At ViaTerra, we make side stand shoes for a wide range of motorcycles, and you will notice that the design and shape of each model is specifically changed to ensure the best fit for each motorcycle. In some cases, like the ViaTerra side stand shoe specifically made for the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, the design has also been changed to address the common challenge of the acute lean angle of the bike when on the side stand. By providing a carefully shaped and elevated base platform, this side stand shoe also helps to adjust and improve the lean angle of the motorcycle itself. You also need to be looking at the materials with which a side stand shoe is made. A good quality side stand shoe must be made out of aluminium or stainless steel to be more rugged and water resistant. Bottom line, a side stand shoe is one of those small upgrades that make a big difference. It's simple, affordable, and can save you some serious frustrating situations, especially if you prefer riding off tarmac. If you're looking for a good side stand shoe for your motorcycle, please consider exploring the collection of offerings from ViaTerra that are linked in the description below. If you have any questions about these products, you can drop them in the comments or connect with us via the chat function on our website, viaterragear.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and keep that rubber side down.